Right now it's 6:42 and sunrise is at 6:56, getting close. I'm very hungry after that film session. Quick story, earlier this week, this thing decided to break. In case you're wondering what this thing is, it is, boom, our washing machine. So this has been a big ordeal. It's not going to be able to be fixed till Tuesday. Today is Saturday. I don't have like any more school pants left or anything, and we're running low. So we have a solution, and it doesn't involve a laundromat. Alright, today is a freezing cold day. It's below freezing. It also snowed this week a little bit, so that was cool. Anyway, today me and my dad are going to watch a movie. He's sneezing, great. So yeah, looking forward to that. It's actually a documentary, Free Solo. It's supposed to be really good. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on it, so I can't wait.
And if you're good, maybe you'll win.
Only one's here.
Imagine your friend falling through the frame to his death.
I think when he's free soloing, that's when he feels the most alive.
You know, I wouldn't call myself a movie reviewer by any means. In fact, I didn't even just watch a movie, I watched a documentary. Like last week or so, I found a TED Talk on him, and it was titled like, this man, how I climbed El Capitan, which is like a 3,000 foot mountain cliff, whatever thing. And I found the story very intriguing, almost too intriguing, because I became addicted to the YouTube videos. Or my dad kept nagging me that he wanted to see this movie, and I was like, what movie? And all along I thought this guy had just done this, and it was just, oh, there was a few people that took pictures of it, oh, it's cool like that. Didn't realize they actually captured the moment. And then my dad was like, it's Free Solo. Then I started connecting all the dots and I realized, oh, it's the same guy. So I got super excited like 2 days ago that I was going to see this movie. I went in with an open mind and I loved it. I loved every single minute of it. Very intriguing story. I just love stories like that, and anything that's in nature and stuff like that is so awesome. You might see me in 20 years filming somebody climbing up the side of a cliff, rappelled 1,000 feet in the air, but you'll know it's something I love. You need to get back to the laundry situation. Remember that was broken? Alright, I took a nap. My mom's currently packing up the car with our laundry. We're getting ready to go. Having a bowl of chili. I feel hot. In case you're wondering where we're going to my mom's work. They got some big washers because they have lots of towels to wash, so. 41 minutes on this far one, 6 minutes on this one, so we got about 4 to 5 loads to do. In case you're wondering where my mom works, she works in a hair salon. That's my son. Woo! That was fun. Okay. I called that success.